Okay, can you see the textbook on your screen, all of you? Okay, now 5.2 question is already written. On which different levels does the government work? That was the question. And answer I am marking right now on the screen so that you can copy it. Okay, it starts from here. Our government works from here. Our का O होगा capital. Okay. Our government works at different levels: local level, state level, and national level. Local level government is concerned with the affairs of villages and cities. State level government deals with matters at the state level, while the government at the national level is responsible for work related to the entire nation. Up to entire nation. This is your 5.2. Any doubts? Anybody? Ah, yes, you can write it point wise. It will look good if you write point wise. Any other doubts? Anybody? Okay, start writing. Okay, now question number 3. Write down the question first. What is the chief function? Check the spelling. Chief meaning main. What is the chief function of the government? Chief function of the government. I repeat, what is the chief function of the government? Put a question mark. Means what is the main function? Got it? Okay, it's a very small answer. Look at the bottom of your page from here. Law and order is very important for the proper functioning of the government. Only one sentence makes your answer 5.3. Did you get the answer, all of you? Did you get the answer? Okay, start writing. Now write down question number 4. Question 4. Which body of the government, which body of the government is known as, ये वाला नोन लिखना, is known as the legislative assembly? The legislative S capital and assembly A capital. I repeat, which body of the government is known as the legislative assembly? Put a question mark. Ready with the question, all of you? Okay, here comes the answer. It is on the next page. I'm turning the page. Okay, here I'm marking. Just have a look. The arm that frames. यहाँ से. The arm that frames laws is known as the legislature, which comprises the विधान सभा. ब्रैकेट भी लिखना है आपको यहाँ पर. पेन थोड़ा डार्क कर दो कि दिख रहा है. This is your 5.4. Can you see the brackets done? रुको मैं थोड़ी पेन डार्क कर लेंगी. Here. Yes, the arm that frames law is known as legislature, which comprises Vidhan Sabha. Yes, up to Vidhan Sabha. Bracket also to be written. That's your 5.4. Got it? Okay, write down. Okay, now write down question number 5. Which body of the government, which body of the government is known as the, is known as the executive committee? Executive E capital, committee C capital. I repeat, which body of the government is known as the executive committee? Put a question mark. Ready with the question? Okay. Again, the answer is very short. We'll start from here. That ka T karo capital. That which executes the law is called the executive. Bas itna. That which executes the law is called executive. Got it? Now, number 6. What is the function of, what is the function of judiciary? What is the function of judiciary? Put a question mark. Okay, do you know what is the function of judiciary? Anybody? What does the judiciary do? No. Implements the law is executive. Yes, judiciary punishes those who break the law. Okay? And the same is the answer. It starts from here. The arm of, from here. The arm which works towards the implementation of justice is called judiciary, and it takes action against offenders. Up to offenders. यहाँ पर. This makes your 5.6. Got it, all of you? Got it? Okay, start writing. Now, question number 7. What is meant by, meant, MEANT? Meant मतलब what is the meaning? Meant का meaning है meaning. ठीक है? What is meant by federal government? Federal F capital, government G capital. Huh? Government. What is meant by federal government? Federal F capital, government G capital. And put a question mark. Written, all of you, what is meant by federal government? Okay. The answer starts from here. India is a federal state. This means that the government functions at two levels, central level and state level. Up to state level. This makes your 5.7. Got it, all of you? Up to state level. ये थोड़ा लाइन छोटा कर देती हूँ. Federal state or federal government is one and the same. फेडरल स्टेट मतलब कंट्री, फेडरल गवर्नमेंट मीन्स द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री। देखो यहाँ पर मैंने मार्क किया है, वहां पर ही डेफिनेशन भी दिया है। गॉट इट? दिया है? ओके, स्टार्ट राइटिंग। ओके, नाउ राइट डाउन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। व्हाट इज द गवर्नमेंट? ये तो एकदम इजी है। व्हाट इज द government at the national level called? At the national level called? I repeat, what is the government at the national level called? Put a question mark. चलो आप बताओ मुझे, नेशनल लेवल वाले गवर्नमेंट को क्या बोलते हैं? सेंट्रल, सेंट्रल और नेशनल तो है ही। यस, यूनियन। व्हाट इज द गवर्नमेंट एट नेशनल लेवल कॉल्ड? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और यूनियन गवर्नमेंट। सिंपल, दैट इज द आंसर। ओके, आई एम मार्किंग इट। यस, बोलो। क्वेश्चन, what is the government at the national level called? Question mark. See the answer. The government at the national level is called central or union government. Answer 5.8. यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर्म में है। मैं ऐसे छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं पूछूंगी। आई विल आस्क दिस इन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, मैच द फॉलोइंग, एटसेट्रा। ओके ओके, नाउ राइट डाउन क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। ये भी इजी है। What is the government at the state level called? What is the government at the state level called? What is the government at the state level called? Question mark. आप बताओ। Very good, Ansh. Very good. Why same is the answer? Start here. The government at the state level is called state government. Okay, this makes your answer 5.9. Got it, all of you? Write down question number 10. How many houses? How many houses are there? Are there in the legislative body? In the legislative, L capital, legislative body. Put a question mark. What are they called? वेरी गुड, क्या बात है, अभी क्वेश्चन खत्म नहीं हुआ और आंसर्स आ रहे हैं। वेरी गुड, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। चलो पहले हाँ हाँ बोल रही हूँ। चलो अभी क्वेश्चन फिर से बोल रही हूँ। क्वेश्चन में दो क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है। हाउ मेनी हाउसेज आर देयर इन द लेजिस्लेटिव बॉडी? क्वेश्चन मार्क। व्हाट आर दे कॉल्ड? अगेन क्वेश्चन मार्क। Shall I repeat it or did you get it? Assembly nahi, body. How many houses are there in the legislative body? What are they called? Now how many houses are there? One or two. Some states have only one house, some states have both the houses. And what is the name of the houses? Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council. Very good. The answer starts from here. The legislative body of an Indian state may have one or two houses. The lower house is known as Legislative Assembly and the upper house is known as the Legislative Council. This is your 5.10. Got it, all of you? Okay, now listen. After completing its answer, leave 2 or 3 lines and write the instructions. Give brief answers. This will be your main question number 6. अभी 5.10 तक किया, 6. Give the title, give brief answers. अभी आप GBA मत लिखना, आप पूरा लिखना. Give brief answers. And then question number 6.1 जो कि हम करेंगे कल. Okay, अभी 5.10 complete करो. Then leave 2 or 3 lines and write the instructions. Give brief answers. Then write 6.1. अभी मैं क्वेश्चन भी नहीं लिखवाऊंगी क्योंकि हमारे पास उतना भी टाइम नहीं है. Write up to this and then we will end the lecture. Clear, all of you? चलो, shall we end the lecture? Okay, tomorrow we will write 3 brief answers and 3 detailed answers and then chapter will be completed. Okay? Chalo, bye bye all of you. Have a nice day.